Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are all doing good and fine. Android, the word that sounds great in the recent times. The Android system is such an impressive piece of technology. From its open source nature to its simplicity of use, it ticks all the boxes when it comes to the mobile operating system. In this video, we are going to see about the top 10 interesting facts in related to Android.
Fact number 1. Android was not a Google's invention. Android was actually developed by the company Android Incorporation, which established in October 2003. The founder of the company is Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Chris White and Nick Sis. The main aim of this company is to create a smart mobile device that aware of the user wants. In 2004, the first Android operating system developed by the Android with the help of Google. And that's so in 2005, Google purchased them for $50 million and hired the Andy Rubin to head up the Android. Fact number 2. Android OS was actually developed for digital camera platform, not for the smartphone market. The founder Andy Rubin says that originally the Android OS was not designed for the smartphone market. It was actually developed for a digital camera platform, but in 2004 they stepped their work for the camera platform with the cloud portion of storage the images in online manner. By the time the Google acquired Android in 2005, however, the plan has been changed. Rubin became the Google executive for the following acquisition, and the Android was repurposed to be developed for mobile handsets. In November 2007, Google launched the first Linux-based software system, Android OS. Fact number 3. HTC Dream was the first ever Android smartphone to ship with the Android operating system. This phone was officially launched in the United States and also in the United Kingdom on October 22, 2008 and was later launched in another European country. Fact number 4. Name of the Android versions are based on the suite or deserts. Google released a lot of Android versions where every new release has been named after a desert in alphabetical order. The Android 1.5, that is the Cupcake, was the first of the delicious name, and they now on the update Android 9.0, which is called as Pie. But in this list, we have to note down that Android versions are not named after deserts or Android 1.0, that is Astro, and Android 1.1, which is called as Bender. Fact number 5. Android Honeycomb is the only version that never ran on smartphone. Once developed, it was completely redesigned for the usage of tablet and that never ran on smartphones. Honeycomb was such a huge failure version in Android. Fact number 6. We all have seen the cute looking logo of the Android operating system. You might even read this on your own Android device right now, but who came up with this little green dude and what kind of speculation about his origin out there? Yes, we all have that particular question. Erina Block, the Google designer, is the one who involved in designing this Android green robot. And a very funny and interesting part is that Block's inspiration came from bathroom doors. The main logo refers to the male robot and the gynoid is the female looking robot. Fact number 7. Pandora is a website dedicated completely to Android, including the news, reviews and forums. They were the first dedicated Android website and their first post came the same day as Google officially announced Android in 2007. Fact number 8. Android devices sell more than Microsoft Windows, iOS and macOS. But to the truth, Microsoft makes more money from Android than Windows Phone. Every time when you buy an Android smartphone or tablet, Microsoft receives $10 to $15 per device. In 2013 survey, Microsoft earned that around $2 billion in the Android royalties for every Android device sold, because it holds n number of patents are being held by the Microsoft. Fact number 9. Android is available in around 46 languages. This also means that applications can be produced in different languages that to cover a wider audience. And the final fact, that is the fact number 10, is Google Maps calculate the traffic by tracking how fast Android devices are moving on the road. Seems to be interesting. Yes, thank you so much for your patience listening. In this video, we have seen about the top 10 interesting facts related to Android. So, be good, do good, stay connected with KIT. and Visaithalam. Thank you so much.